In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right starting point. Customize it so it clearly communicates your process and export or share it with others. First, head to your Canva dashboard and use the search bar at the top. Type flowchart, process flow, or whiteboard. These searches bring up layouts designed for mapping steps and decisions. Flowchart and process flow templates are great when you already have a defined sequence, while whiteboard gives you a more open canvas for brainstorming before you lock things in. Take a moment to browse the results and preview a few designs so you can see how many steps, decision points, and connector lines each one includes. Next, choose a template that suits your process. Pick something close to your needs if your process is simple. You don't need a dense layout, and if it's complex, choose a template with ample space and clear connectors. Remember, you can always remove extra steps or duplicate shapes to expand the flow. So focus on getting the overall structure right. Now customize the content. Double-click any text box to add your own steps. Keeping labels short and action-oriented so the flow stays easy to scan. Drag shapes to reposition them and use the resize handles to make key steps a bit larger. Canva's smart guides help you align elements evenly, which makes your flowchart feel professional and consistent. As you move shapes, the connector lines in most templates will adjust automatically. If a line looks off, drag its endpoints until the path reads cleanly from start to finish. Aim for a logical direction, left to right or top to bottom, and keep spacing consistent so the eye can follow the sequence without effort. Refine the look for clarity. Adjust colors so you hear a strong contrast between shapes, text, and the background. You might use one color for regular steps and a contrasting color for decisions. But keep your palette limited to maintain focus. Choose readable fonts and stick to one or two weights. Increase line thickness on main paths so the primary flow stands out. If something feels busy, simplify fewer colors and cleaner typography often communicate better. When you are happy with the result, click the Share button to finalize. Download your flowchart as a PNG for on-screen use, or a PDF for crisp printing. If you are working with others, use Share to invite teammates so they can view, comment, or edit alongside you. Thanks for watching.